Python data science operates on a strict hierarchy. Libraries handle complex modeling, but they all run on top of a single foundational layer, NumPy. For 15 years, that foundation remained rigidly stable. Recently, however, the library began a wave of disruptive modernization across its entire codebase. This timeline charts NumPy's release velocity, shifting in mid-2024 with the 2.0.0 ABI Break. The cadence then accelerated with a high velocity of feature additions and targeted patches. At the top, the 2.5 transition finalizes this phase, dropping Python 3.11 support and legacy warnings. The core team is systematically tearing down decades of technical debt, deep within the C API and build architecture. They are executing 3 specific operations: a decentralized build rewrite, uncompromising new ABI standards, and low-level kernel memory shifts. Without these transitions, legacy memory management would permanently bottleneck the global scientific computing ecosystem in the move toward highly parallel multi-core processing. Modern NumPy is a decentralized ecosystem of specialized repositories. This bar graph visualizes community engagement across those satellite repositories. By partitioning the architecture, maintainers isolate experimental data types, preventing edge cases from blocking core releases. The topmost bar highlights x86 SIMD sort, a repository with massive engagement relative to other satellite projects. This specific project isolates complex C++ template metaprogramming used for AVX 512 hardware-accelerated sorting algorithms. This isolation protects the primary codebase's stability while capturing the throughput enhancements of vector processing. This highly separated architecture became a necessity when Python 3.12 officially removed the legacy Distutils library from its standard modules. For over a decade, NumPy relied on Distutils to orchestrate the complex cross-platform compilation of its C and Fortran extensions. Losing it effectively crippled the existing build pipeline. This diagram outlines the modernized compilation architecture. In the upper configuration block, Meson acts as the primary engine, parsing files and resolving dependencies. Moving to the lower block, Ninja serves as the backend, parallelizing tasks across maximum CPU cores to slash build times. Migrating to this new standard introduced immediate operational friction for contributors, used to simple setup.py scripts. To solve this, developers introduced Spin. This Python wrapper abstracts the underlying configurations, allowing contributors to output localized compiled artifacts without polluting host environments. Completely decoupling the configuration logic from the compilation stage ensures NumPy can scale its architecture against an expanding matrix of operating systems and hardware targets. The modernized build system enabled the release of NumPy 2.0, the point where the library intentionally severed its legacy architecture. This version introduced a deliberate application binary interface break. Because the core memory structures were altered, downstream libraries like pandas that rely on compiled C extensions were required to recompile to avoid memory corruption. A major reason for restructuring was NumPy's historical flaw in text handling. Traditionally, arrays allocated identical, massive blocks of memory for every element, even for a single character. Version 2.0 addressed this with string dtype, a true variable-length string data type. By utilizing variable-length pointers, the array dynamically adjusts its memory boundaries to fit exactly what is contained inside. This drastically shrinks the total memory footprint and improves direct interoperability with Panda's data frame structures. Beyond optimizing memory, this rewrite allowed for a broader, ecosystem-wide effort to standardize mathematical computation. The release achieved uncompromising integration of the overarching Python array API standard directly within NumPy's primary namespace. This standardization guarantees that core array operations are agnostic. They behave predictably and are interchangeable with other tensor computation libraries. Developers can now write a single, standardized machine learning codebase and seamlessly swap out NumPy execution for hardware-accelerated GPU libraries like PyTorch or CuPy without rewriting their mathematical logic. Breaking 15 years of backward compatibility was the cost required to unify a fragmented machine learning landscape and enforce strict type promotion safety rules. The ultimate pressure testing this architecture is Python Enhancement Proposal 703, making the global interpreter lock optional to unlock true free-threaded parallel execution. Removing the GIL removes a massive safety net. exposing historically dormant concurrency bugs hidden deep within NumPy's underlying C extensions. Developers tracking issue number 31618 discovered the dot product operation becomes thread unsafe under OpenBLAS on non-contiguous memory layouts. Multiple threads writing to these scattered blocks simultaneously trigger race conditions, causing silent data corruption that requires massive manual code audits. To handle these multi-core realities, version 2.5.0 introduces a profound architectural shift deep inside the C API. The system bypasses the highly managed Python object allocator, transitioning its internal memory allocation strategy to utilize PyMem raw malloc. Interfacing directly with the operating system's low-level raw malloc functions reduces runtime overhead compared to relying on Python's native garbage collection. Managing multi-gigabyte continuous blocks of memory at the OS level is critical for sidestepping the constraints of the global interpreter lock. However, operating this close to kernel-level hardware architectures introduces unpredictable technical consequences. On Linux environments, maintainers triaging issue 31590 found severe kernel mapping interactions involving the madv huge page flag. In theory, setting this flag instructs the Linux kernel to utilize massive memory pages. This decreases CPU translation look-aside buffer misses and accelerates the processing of massive arrays. In reality, poor kernel-level fragmentation management combined with this specific flag triggers catastrophic latency spikes whenever arrays are rapidly resized or garbage collected. Safe, free-threaded parallel execution requires NumPy to operate as an operating system within an operating system, rewriting the rules of its memory mapping. Zooming out from granular C API memory mapping, these low-level architectural shifts define how compiled NumPy artifacts are distributed to millions of server deployments globally. To manage this, the project strictly enforces end-of-life maturation matrices. These predictable deprecation horizons compel enterprise data centers to upgrade their architectures or lose security patch guarantees. The compiled binaries undergo rigorous automated security scanning. Often, advanced static analysis tools will flag the latest releases, specifically for missing 19 modern mitigations. While this triggers risk warnings on enterprise dashboards, the omission is a deliberate architectural compromise. Enabling abreast-edge compiler security flags, such as strict control flow integrity, introduces an unacceptable computational overhead. That overhead degrades mathematical execution speeds on the legacy hardware architectures still utilized in research centers. The modern ecosystem, the decentralized repositories, the ABI breaks, the Meson compilers, and the low-level raw memory shifts, operates as a unified response to impending hardware realities. NumPy retains its role in global scientific computing by continuously adapting to the evolving requirements of low-level hardware and system engineering. Zooming out from granular C API memory mapping, these low-level architectural shifts define how compiled NumPy artifacts are distributed to millions of server deployments globally. To manage this, the project strictly enforces end-of-life maturation matrices. These deprecation horizons compel data centers to upgrade architectures or lose security guarantees. The compiled binaries undergo rigorous automated security scanning. Often, advanced static analysis tools will flag the latest releases specifically for missing 19 modern mitigations. While this triggers risk warnings on enterprise dashboards, the omission is a deliberate architectural compromise. Enabling aggressive compiler security flags, such as strict control flow integrity, introduces an unacceptable computational overhead. That overhead degrades mathematical execution speeds on the legacy hardware architectures still utilized in research centers. The modern ecosystem, the decentralized repositories, the ABI breaks, the Meson compilers, and the low-level raw memory shifts operates as a unified response to impending hardware realities. NumPy retains its role in global scientific computing by continuously adapting to the evolving requirements of low-level hardware and system engineering.